this smog is become an annual occurrence for Delhi NCR. People are forced to go if they have to exercise. Even the medical experts have said that one should avoid it as much as possible. Now, if you're wondering, and if you're a resident of Delhi NCR, what is the latest that has been immediately decided? So, well, odd even rule is back. The Delhi government has announced November 13th, which is from Monday, a day after Diwali, from 13th to 20th, odd even rule for your vehicles based on your number plates will be followed. Primary schools, specifically government primary schools, will stay shut. Likely, they may consider including private schools to switch to the online classes. For online classes for grade 6th and 12th have been announced. So if there are ones who are below that has been shut, if they want to approach it, these are some options that have been given. But online classes have been decided. What next? Non-essential construction activities, like happens every winter in the past, at least 3 to 4 years. This is the time when the construction activities stop. Demolition activities have also been banned, and we are being told that there is a very clear restriction placed on that. What about non-essential construction activities? Excavation work has also been banned. Non-essential construction activities have also been restricted for work. Let's go across to BS3 petrol and BS4 diesel cars will be barred. And these are, of course, remember, specifically for diesel cars, it will be implemented even more strictly. What about road construction and repair, that's all? That also has been banned, at least for the next few days. Also, other options like stone crushing, which may generate dust from that stone crushing, that has also been banned for now. But also, mining and associated activities, this is Delhi NCR, that will also be banned, as the stamp has put. Vacuum cleaners to operate for 12 hours, which means vacuum cleaners will be on the streets. Yeah, if you're a Delhi or an NCR resident in Delhi, you must have seen these small vehicles that do clean the streets as they move along slowly and steadily, that have been deployed. Tanks to sprinkle water. We all have seen those tanks moving slowly across on the streets of Delhi, sprinkling water. But all of this, will it really make a difference? Well, we all know it hasn't made much of a difference. Clearly, mobile smog guns have also been deployed. This is that smog gun that appears every winters. Now, amid all of this, remember, shuttle bus services. These bus services will be made available because if there are so many restrictions on odd even and other vehicular traffic, there will have to be a public transport available. According to the Delhi government, shuttle bus services will be made available. So these are the immediate measures for now for some relief that have been announced. Well, I also have aggravated cough because of the pollution currently in Delhi NCR. Now, as the residents continue to suffer, the stubble burning is seen as one of the big causes in Punjab. Punjab on Sunday reported 3,230 farm fires, the highest in a day so far this season. So that means farm fire continue, and because the resultant is the smog that we see in other parts. 3,230 farm fires. The total number of stubble burning incidents in Punjab has touched 17,000. This is as far the air quality that remains unhealthy.
पूसा बायोडिकम्पोजर करके एक स्प्रे बनाई थी सरकार ने। दिल्ली में तो सरकार स्प्रे कर रही है। आपके पास इसको लेके कोई ऑफिसर आया था, सजेस्ट किया था आपको कि भाई आप भी पराली को खत्म करने के लिए स्प्रे करो?
नहीं, साडे पिंड कोई नहीं आया। किसी ने ना सानू दस्सिया, ना सोसाइटी च आई साडे दवाई ये बई असी तो वो बंडल जे बनाउने पिंड दे विच, वो भी प्राइवेट बंदे बना रहे हैं। वो पता नहीं किनू फैक्ट्रियां नू दन्ने हैं बंडल बना के, वो बंडल बना रहे हैं, बंडलों नाल इकट्ठी कर लैंदे पराली।
ਇਹ 100% ਪਰਾਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਕਦੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ, कुछ % थल्ले पराली रह जाती है ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। तो जो पराली रह जाती है उसको आप क्या करते हैं? बाहर भी ਕੱਢ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ, थोड़ी बहुत ही रह जाती है पराली, फिर ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅੱਗ ਵੀ ਲਾਉਣੀ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ।
So let's try and understand the ground situation. Manjeet Sehgal is joining me now. Manjeet, what is happening? Because here in Delhi NCR, the situation is absolutely unbearable. The cause in many ways remains the farm fire. Why is the government in Punjab or even in parts of Haryana unable to stop the stubble burning?
Well, Pooja, reality is this, that the farmers, be it Punjab or be it the Haryana, have failed to adopt the technology. In fact, the in situ management of the government, under which many machines were introduced between 3 to 5 years in Punjab, are lying idle as they were not cost effective. New machines were introduced, but employing or hiring these machines is also beyond the means and reaches of the farmers. That is why, despite having deployed over 1 lakh machines in Punjab, last year Punjab failed to stop the burning of the stubble. As far as the data is concerned, at least half of the 20 million tons of the stubble produced by the farming of paddy every year is consigned to the flames. We spoke to the farmers on ground as well. Farmers say that the machines are inadequate. They are inconsistent with the number of the farmers. Each village had at least 1 machine, but that is not able to cater to all the farmers. So machines which are working, which are in working condition, are not technically sound. They leave the straws in the corners of the fields, which are being set ablaze by the farmers. So farmers are also saying that there is no means of compensation being provided to them. The machines, the state government says 20,000 additional machines are being provided this year. But where are the machines? We went to various villages. We found that the farmers were eagerly waiting for the machines, but the machines were not being made available on the ground. At many places, we have also seen the machines lying idle or who have been abandoned by the farmers and their owners, as they were technically far behind. The machinery is being provided to these farmers by the private operators. So the farmers say
Miscommunication. There's a miscommunication, or at least the lack of alternatives that they need. Because remember, and Manjeet, thank you for that, because a lot of farmers say they have to sow the next crop. That time also is running out. They need to sow it in so and so week and period that is now approaching. And that is why this appears more affordable and easier for them. But that's where exactly the policymakers need to step in. Thank you so much for now, Manjeet Sehgal. And you can see stubble burning continues in parts of Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh also.